Today is the last day that we'll have anything on the indoor grow light station. All the leftover indoor plants are now going to be on this cute little shelf.
So here are my pepper plants. We're going to plant them in the ground today. It's May 3rd, I think. But here's a trick with pepper plants. These are baby pepper plants. They're not that big, but they're still trying their very best to produce. In fact, we got a bee buzzing around here somewhere. Oh, there she is. Hey, miss. You joining in? Okay. These are baby pepper plants. They're not ready to produce fruit. They haven't grown big and strong enough. If they start producing fruit, they're just going to waste all their energy. And in the past, I've had a jalapeno plant that puts all of its energy into one little jalapeno and you're so excited and that's all it ever produces. So to stop that, if it's a small plant, pluck off the beginnings of the flowers. You don't want them to waste their energy producing fruit until they're big enough to handle kids. You know what I mean? So take the time. I do this with my tomato plants too, until I feel like they're ready to start producing fruit, or they'll only produce a couple on their little plants and they won't spend energy growing into a bigger plant. See, this one, we got a big old flower on this already. So the other thing is this has been in my house, so these haven't even been pollinated or anything like that. There's just no point. I don't even know if peppers need to be pollinated, but don't waste your time. Little plants, don't waste your time on flowers right now. You need to grow a bit bigger and stronger. Probably a couple more weeks, and then I'll actually allow them to produce fruit. Do you like my dorky outfit? So step one with the peppers is actually to just decide where they go, and then I place them in the whole garden. I like having certain peppers next to each other, all the jalapenos next to each other kind of thing. And then once I've set them where I want, I'll just poke my finger in to create a hole. Then I can move the plants and set them all in, because I try to make them all evenly spaced and so it looks good. So that'll be phase one. I forget what I grow every year. I make decisions on a whim. So it looks like I've got 4 jalapenos. Oh, no, I lied. This is 2 jalapenos. There we go. That makes more sense. 2 jalapenos, 2 cayenne peppers, 4 banana, 4 Thai. So cayenne I really like turning into red pepper flakes. Jalapenos, good for just about anything. I can also turn them into flakes, pretty spicy flakes, or cooking. Banana peppers for sandwiches and things. Sometimes we bottle them. And this year I wanted to try to make sriracha sauce myself. Jake uses it on his eggs every morning. So now let's decide how we're going to disperse them through here. I might use all of them, I might not. I always try to make a little extra. I'll try to get them all in. If I don't, I'll give them to a neighbor. That looks like the perfect amount. I apparently am doing something right. So we'll get these guys all planted. I don't know where my gloves are. Check it out. It's my favorite garden guest. Mr. Quail. Hey, bud. They always come by in the evenings. They're the best. these pots with new potting soil. I didn't buy beans this year, but I found a few hanging out. These ones should be scarlet runner beans. These I have no freaking clue. So we'll plant them both and hopefully we get them growing up the archway. They're a few years old. I don't know if they'll sprout or not. I'm not gonna test them because I'm lazy. There they are, all planted.
I was really unsure if these were going to grow at all, but they are, and they're doing good so far.
There. Looking good.
Thanks for getting to the end of part 6. In part 7, the tomatoes are freed from their little water greenhouses.